In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to curve text in PowerPoint, focusing on applying text effects to give your presentations a new and exciting look. So, whether you're preparing a business presentation or a fun family slideshow, this skill is a great way to add some flair to your text. Let's start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you don't have it handy in your Start menu or Applications folder, take a moment to locate it. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, open the specific presentation where you want to add curved text. Don't worry, this effect will not alter your existing design or layout, but it will enhance the visual interest of your text elements. Next, navigate to the text that you would like to curve. Simply click on the text box to select it. You'll notice a box appears around your text indicating it's selected and ready for editing. If you can't see the text box, make sure it isn't hidden behind another object or layer. This is a common issue. Now that your text is selected, direct your attention to the top of your screen to find the Shape Format tab. Click on it. This is where PowerPoint keeps tools for editing shapes and text boxes, including our next feature of interest. In the Shape Format tab, look for the Word Art Styles group. Under this section, you will see an option called Text Effects. Go ahead and click on this option. The Text Effects menu is a treasure trove of possibilities that can transform plain text into something extraordinary. From the menu that appears, select Transform. You'll discover a variety of options here that allow you to bend and twist your text into different shapes. Among these options, you'll want to choose Arch. Clicking on Arch will apply a gentle curve to your text, neatly following the shape that you've selected. After choosing Arch, take a moment to review your newly curved text. You can adjust the size of your text box or change the font size to see how it affects the curve. Sometimes, making the text larger results in a more pronounced curve, so feel free to experiment until you achieve the desired effect. And there you have it. Your text is now gracefully curved, bringing a fresh look to your PowerPoint slide. Curving text is not just visually dynamic, but also a tool for emphasizing titles or drawing attention to key points without overwhelming your audience. Remember, with these new text effects at your disposal, you can always revisit and refine your design as needed. So go ahead and give your presentations a boost with this simple yet creative feature.